What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be moving an electrical outlet. This one's going to come up about, 16 inches so that we can build a platform right here. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is find out which side your stud is on. It should only be on one side. So mine is on this side right here. And then you're going to notch out. I just took a pocket knife, screwdriver, and something to bang on that knife with. So just notch it out. You only need about 1 centimeter, just enough to get this guy to loosen up. Let's go ahead and try to get it loose. Good deal. So now that that is loose, we're going to measure up. I'm going to do a little more than I said earlier. I'm going to go ahead and bring it all the way up here. No reason not to, just in case I decide to build that platform a little bigger. So just going to mark right there. Let's make that my bottom. Going to come over. So measure to here from the wall. That stud's right at 22 inches. So right here. Right there. That should be the edge of my stud. Just like I was thinking, the wire should run down, usually from top all the way down here. So you can see right there it's secured. I may have to deal with some staples from here to there, but if I'm lucky, that'll be the only one. Obviously, I've got to clear all this insulation out of the way so I can run this guy on up to this point. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. What I'm about to show you, if your house is at all like this one, you should be able to just, now that that's loose, you should be able to just pull up on this wire a little bit. There it comes right here. Pull it on up. Let me get that staple loosened up before I bend that wire wrong. Right there. Wire's still good. No bends, tears, cracks, or anything like that. We're set. Just gonna keep on pulling this wire up. Just chase it up into the wall a little bit. I always oversize this hole a little bit so that you can see, you can get both hands in there. Now, all of a sudden, we're right here. They make covers that are plenty big to cover this hole, so I don't worry about that one bit. I know it'll look good in the end. and it's a whole lot easier doing it this way. See that? So push these nails out. What I usually do in the end is, when I'm doing it like this, I just pull this guy out and run a screw here and here, and then go ahead and put this guy back in there. So it's loose. All I'm gonna do is try to move this up out of the way a little bit so I can get a screw here and there. That'll be it. All right, I'm just gonna use this little guy here. Really doesn't matter what screw you use. It's just to secure something here, so not a big deal. There we go. It does not get a whole lot easier than this guy right here. Again, it's not super critical. One screw there, one screw there. That's it. I'll show you real quick. My wire just runs up there, so you should be able to have some wire to play with. It's not bad. So all we did was make this plug go from down here all the way up here. It's nothing crazy. Good luck on y'all's project. Let me know in the comments if this helped, and let me know other videos you'd like to see. I really appreciate it.